Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this week we're going to go ahead and do the second set of MAC lipsticks. I split the two up. I did a part 1 and did my first 11, and then this is the second part of the video. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do 11 of my MAC lipstick lip swatches. And you guys let me know what you think. There's some that don't work for my skin and some that do. So let me know down below which ones you think are the good ones and which ones you think don't work for me, just for fun. And then don't forget to leave me a like on this video if you like doing lip swatches. This is how I learn if I want a lipstick or not, as I go watch like swatch videos on the lips and see how they work for me. So, and then I'll go choose ones that I think will work for me. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys later. Bye.